Stay hungry, stay foolish. Steve Jobs. His full name is Stephen Paul Jobs. Steve was born in February 24, 1955. His father name is Abdul Fateh Jandali and his mother name is Joanne Shebel. Steve adopted by Paul and Clara. His biological father belongs to a Muslim community. Steve Jobs raised in the San Francisco Bay Area. He attended Reed College in 1972 before dropping out that same year and traveled through India in 1974, seeking enlightenment and studying in Buddhism. His declassified FBI reports states that he used marijuana and LSD while he was in college and once told a reporter that taking LSD was one of the 2 or 3 most important things he had done in his life. Jobs and Wozniak co-founded Apple in 1976 to sell Wozniak's Apple I personal computer. Together, the duo gained fame and wealth a year later with the Apple II, one of the first highly successful mass-produced microcomputers. Jobs saw the commercial potential of the Xerox Alto in 1979, which was mouse-driven and had a graphical user interface. This led to the development of the unsuccessful Apple Lisa in 1983, followed by the breakthrough Macintosh in 1984, the first mass-produced computer with a graphical user interface. The Macintosh introduced the desktop publishing industry in 1985. With addition of the Apple LaserWriter, the first laser writer to feature vector graphics. Jobs was forced out of Apple in 1985 after a long power struggle with the company's board and CEO John Sculley. That same year, Jobs took a few of Apple's members with him to found Next, a computer platform developed company that specialized in computer for higher education and business markets. In addition, he helped to develop the visual effects industry when he founded the computer graphics division of Lucasfilms in 1986. The new company was Pixar, which produced the first 3D computer animated film Toy Story in 1995. Apple acquired Next in 1997 and Jobs became CEO of his former company within a few months. He was largely responsible for the helpline Revive Apple, which had been at the verge of bankruptcy. He worked closely with designer Johnny Ive to develop a line of products that had large cultural ramifications beginning in 1997. With the Think Different advertisement campaign and leading to the iMac, iTunes Store, Apple Store, iPod, iPhone, App Store, and the last one is iPad. In 2001, the original Mac OS was replaced with a completely new Mac OS X based on Next Step platform, giving the OS a modern Unix-based foundation for the first time. Jobs was diagnosed with a pancreatic neuroendocrine tumor in 2003. He died of respiratory arrest related to the tumor at the age of 56 on October 5, 2011. We are here to put a dent in the universe. Otherwise, why else even be here? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to get notification of the coming videos.